I honestly don't even want to say this. I don't want people to have this. JT here with another fragrance review. But here we have a top of the line Parfums de Marly PEGASUS. What I like to call Peg Your Friend's Sister. Because it's not just PEGASUS. No. You spray this more than 5 times, you're going to be breaking up families. But why do I say that? Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because every single video that you have watched about PEGASUS, PEGASUS exclusive, and this not being in top 10s, it's BS, okay? This is a fragrance that needs to be in your collection immediately. So, if you wear suits, if you talk smooth, guys, you're pegging your friend's sisters. Okay, so before we get into why that's gonna happen, I'm gonna answer a question. Should you blind buy this fragrance? Now, for most of you that have known my channel, you're gonna know that we buy fragrances here for other people to smell on us so that they're pleased. So if that is still the case, then we're gonna blind buy this fragrance because it is a mass-liked fragrance. So, shut up about that and let's dive right in. Now, this fragrance sits, I'm gonna say, above the realm of Arabian Oud Rasala, except it's appealing to the masculine and feminine nose. And if you don't like this, you're like 1 in a couple thousand. Okay, so it's so good that I actually just spray this on and sleep. Like, I just want to smell it when I go to sleep. It's just calming. So, the story. I got this last week, and every time I wear it, it gets brought up. Granted, it is me, but they still say they like the fragrance, and other times it wasn't me. And it's been what, 2-3 weeks? I've been testing this since. So what I have to say is the people literally just revolve around you. Yes, a little exaggerated, not really. Like, I would turn around just to see if somebody smells it, just to see them looking backwards. Coincidence? I think not. All right, the projection, duration, don't even worry about it. It'll last, okay? So, let's get into how many sprays should you use. Now, that depends on where you're at and how you're feeling. If you're feeling a little, I don't know, how do I say it? Like you haven't got enough compliments, I'm saying 1 on the right side, 1 on the left side of the neck, 1 on chest, 1 behind the neck, and then 1 right here, 1 right here, and boom, dude. You are projecting like a mofo. Like people say, a mofo, okay? You're projecting. There's no doubt about it. You want to know how often to spray this? If you spray it the way I just said, okay, so let's say you go to work at 7 a.m., so you spray it at 6:30. You go throughout the day, boom, boom, boom. Lunch, you're still a little projecting. I'm not gonna lie, you're still like maybe a foot of projection. But when you hit that 4 p.m. mark, it's gonna be more close to the skin. So if you got somewhere to go, just respray it, dude. Because this won't give you a headache. This won't give anybody a headache. Now, I'm not saying go out and spray 15, 20 times extra. No, I'm saying like 1, 2, 4, 5, maybe 5 more. I don't know. However much you want to project. But I'm not saying go add an extra 20 sprays. It's going to get costly. So that's what I'm saying. It's not offensive. Very likable, very inviting. So how do I describe this? This scent is almondy. It's almondy, it's fresh. It's like you just got out the shower and you used a vanilla thing on your hair. Oh, with a little bit of spice, guys. Guys, what are you doing? Pick this fragrance up. Because this is going to be the closest you get. Then get serious. If you want revenge on your best friend or whatever, dude, whatever. What the heck ever. PEGASUS. They said, what? PEGASUS. Okay. Now, it's almond, it's vanilla. It's a fresh vanilla. This is tier 1. This is like the best of the best. This is mass appealing. I don't know how to explain it. This is just crazy good fragrance. So I'm gonna answer this question again. Should you blind buy this fragrance? And the answer is still yes. It is expensive. But if you find the right place, you find the right time. Sometimes Fragrance Net will have it, but if not, just go to Amazon. I'm gonna have a link because now I am benefiting. So please hit the link. I honestly don't even want to say this. I don't want people to have this fragrance. I like this fragrance. But if you're gonna be wearing fragrances and you're gonna want to stand out, nobody's wearing this Pegasus. Make this your signature scent. It's warm. It's for any time. Anytime. It's any time in the night, any time in the winter, any time in the afternoon, and it's hot, anytime when it's humid. It doesn't matter. This vanilla scent will just be intoxicating. I don't know how else to explain. So, with that being said, pick this fragrance up. It's gonna better your life in some way or another. I guarantee it. So, now, when you're at your friend's house, and you go over, and he asks why you're in his older sister's room, just tell him it's late. Why? Because it's too late, and it's already done. This is Pegasus, boys. Hit the like, hit the sub. This is probably the best review, best fragrance we've ever done on this channel. This is JT. Like, sub, hit the link if you're gonna buy this, because I know you're gonna buy this. I just know it. You have to. JT out.